Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for US30 and US100. US100 closed the week at around 15630 and US30 and at close to 36,000 levels saw a good drop but bounced back nicely on the last trading day. Now what is going to happen next week? We are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Those who are new to the channel, let me share that I provide my daily and weekly analysis for US, Europe and India markets and commodities including gold, silver and crude oil and natural gas. Daily 2 videos are also available for you. Just one before US market opens, cash session opens, and one with the global markets roundup very early morning in the day as per India time. So do press the bell icon, stay tuned with the latest analysis. Now let's start the analysis with US100 and I am going to give you the trading levels at the end of every analysis. First US100, then followed with US30. Now look at the US100 charts. You can see that the week ended with a doji candle, that is indecisive. Markets were bearish and markets were bullish at the same time. Closed the week at around creating a doji. Doji indicates a indecision in markets, that traders are not able to decide whether they want to go long or to go short. But yes, now looking at this, you can clearly see. Let me try to give you a closer look first. See, consistently lower highs is what we can see. Now this is the channel in which it might trade. So any long is only indicated or suggested once it breaks past this zone at 15800. Once 15800 is taken, probably it might again try to head towards 16,000 levels, form a double top once again, and beyond 16,000 we might see it rising till towards 16,300. So two a couple of key levels you got: 15,800, beyond which you can keep yourself moderately bullish, and beyond 16,000 it is completely bullish reversal, where you can still expect it to rise till towards 16,300, 16,200 levels, somewhere in between. Now whether that will happen or not, on the downside, once it breaks 15,500 this time, definitely it might try to achieve 15,000 and below levels. It can go till towards 4,900 also. So if it breaks 15,500, my next support at 15,350 will come into picture, and then 15,200, and below that it will head towards 14,900 levels. That is going to be provide a stronger support for US100. Now look at this. It has consolidated beautifully in last few weeks. This time it tried to break down, however failing to break past this zone, again coming back into this box. So if it, as I said, 15,500 is the level. If it breaks 15,500, probably we might see a good break again heading towards 14,900. Else it might try to continue trading in this box, as prices traders are trying to make it only sideways. Now this is on the weekly chart. Let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts you can find that, see, this was a sideways movement. Let me show. This was a sideways movement on the daily charts. After this it broke down, then traded in this zone. Now it has achieved lower lows here, and if you look at this time, it is trying to form another channel with higher highs. Now higher highs suggest that from here, if it breaks, as I said, 15,500 anytime, or 15,450, probably if it breaks 15,450, definitely it will try to break down again significantly towards 15,000 and below levels. Else till the time it is above 15,450, it might try to form a tail and then try to rise again. How far it could rise? It could rise till towards 15,800. But once 15,800 is taken, it will try to in fact make a double top at 16,000, and in fact can rise till 16,200, 300 zone. It might try to again fall back in these zones. So we have got couple of key levels in this daily and weekly charts. Probably appears to be bearish, but trying to reverse a bit, may try to achieve a little higher levels before trying to take a drop. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts you can clearly see, I have shown this to you earlier also. See, lower highs, the high for the month is done. I don't expect it to go past 16,570, 16,560 levels. I don't expect it to go or trade beyond these levels. Any reversal for the month of January will only be suggested or indicated once it goes past these zone. Else, you can see that probably it might try to trade in this channel itself, where the lows is already done at 15,300, and almost if it breaks 15,300, probably we might see it dropping further sharply towards this zone at 14,900. Else it might try to trade it or contain itself within this zone. Again, we might see trading sideways between 15,300 or 15,350 to 15,800 levels for the week, and probably we might see sideways movement for a little longer in this week also. So this is on the monthly charts. We have seen weekly charts, we have seen daily charts. Now let's have a look at the indicators on the daily charts. Looking at the indicators on the daily chart, there is a strong resistance zone coming into picture. From, you can see this 100 simple average and moving exponential moving average line trying to give it a stronger resistance at around 15,800 zone. Only beyond 15,800 zone, as I said earlier also, one can be moderately bullish, and till 16,100, 16,200 it might get a stronger resistance, but this is possible that it can achieve 16,200 to 50 zone, and probably from there we might see a drop that is can be expected. Also trading on hitting at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, it has got the support at around 15,300 and now rising, and hence, as I said, for 15,800 to 15,350, 360 zone can be expected, and beyond 15,800 if it tries to rise 16,000, 16,200 can also be expected if it continues to rise beyond those levels. However, any break beyond 15,500 will be a good level to go short for 15,350. Once it breaks past 15,300, definitely it is a stronger bearish movement we might see, taking it towards 15,200, 15,060 and 4,900 levels also. Possibly for next couple of days it might try to retrace a bit till towards for 15,800 levels, and in fact can go well beyond this also. But yes, can reverse. A possible trading zone is between 15,350 to 800 appears. But look at the DPO is almost trading flat and seen a bottom, may try to reverse from here and enter into buy zone again. Hence a bullish move can be expected, but at the same time the stochastic on the daily charts have seen a crossover, and hence, which is also indicative that it might try to take a drop first. So possible that beyond 15,500 may head till towards 15,350, 300, and in fact 15,200 may try to reverse a bit again till towards 15,800 plus levels. A possibility exists on the charts. Now look at the MACD lines. MACD lines have crossed over, running parallel, and hence similar bearish momentum may continue, but a couple or more green candles will try to make them converge and then crossover, and then bullish run will or may start. However, I don't expect so that it might cross 16,500 anytime soon, but these are markets, anything is possible. We have to keep both the cases open. RSI is comfortable here. RSI is at trading at bottom and at comfortable levels. Now considering this, let me jump to the levels directly. Also, besides this, the daily analysis and daily morning markets forecast and the daily cash markets forecast for US30 and US100, definitely it helps you in deciding the direction for the day. So do watch those daily videos also on how to what to expect from the markets this week. Now look at this. If it rises beyond 15,723, definitely it is a good time to go long. You can expect 15,800, which might provide a very stronger resistance at around 15,800, then 15,840. Now if this 15,840 is taken, you can again expect it to head till towards 15,970, then directly it will land to 16,020. Now remember, this is again critical resistance zone between 15,970 to 16,020. Any move beyond these levels definitely will be making the index fly, and it will achieve 16,200. Beyond 16,200 you can always remain bullish for 16,280 also. However, I don't think that we are going to make it till towards 16,300. How? But these are markets, anything is possible. As soon as you achieve any of the levels, let's say you enter at 15,723, you achieve 15,800, close it, try to re-enter at lower levels. If you see it going it in the same direction, that is it is very much bullish, then only you can go long. Else probably from 15,800 we might see a reversal and we can see it probably dropping. Any move beyond 15,500, now any drop below 15,500, that is the level at which you can go short for 15,350, very important support, and then 15,320, another important support. Breaking this, it will directly land towards 15,200 and then 15,060 and probably to 14,900. Below this is also possible. These are markets, anything is possible, but I expect it to trade in range at max from 15,350 to 15,800. Probably this could be the range in which it might trade, or else even if it tries to drop, 15,200 to 15,800 could be the range. But yes, it may try to achieve a high before trying to drop, or it may achieve a low before trying to rise. Either ways, even if it is bullish, it may try to take a drop till towards 15,300, 15,200 zone, and then may rise from there till towards 15,800, or in fact can go well beyond also. So this is for US100 for the week. Now let's move towards US30. Now this is US30's daily chart. On a daily chart, you can see that it has almost formed a double bottom out there. So a double bottom has been formed, and both, you can see, previously also at this place it has tried to reverse, achieved higher highs, then dropped, now formed a double bottom from here. Now if it breaks past, on the daily chart, if it breaks past 36,000 somewhere here at around, I will say 36,200, if it breaks past through, definitely it will try to again head towards 36,500, and in fact can go well beyond towards 36,600 and 800 zone also. But for this it has to cross and go past 36,200 levels. This is the level, though it is well below. Maybe 36,100 also is a good level. However, I will recommend you to wait till 36,200 for it to decide, and if it breaks 36,200, definitely it is going to trade higher. On the flip side, probably it might try to give a drop on the very first trading day, or uh, and contain itself between this zone, providing lower highs ending in a green, and then again try to provide green candles in the week, probably taking it towards 36,500. So till the time it remains above 35,600 zone, definitely I will suggest you to buy again at 35,600 650 zone, or till 35,700 you can enter a buy with a stop loss at 35,500 and expect it to rise till towards 36,200. Probably we might see a reversal after this, because double bottom is something we can see, and higher lows also can be expected on US30. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, you can find that this is second consecutive red candle making this channel. Now as I said, any rise beyond 36,200 will be a very good level to go long, and expect it to rise again till towards 36,500, and in fact can achieve all-time highs also. On the flip side, which is at 37,000, on the flip side, it has a sky, or it has a bottom available at around 35,500 zone, which may provide a very strong support for US30, and probably 35,500 only. If it breaks, then only I will recommend you to take a drop, or take a short, and expect it to drop sharply and significantly till towards this zone at 34,700 800 levels. So almost 400 points from here. Probable zone to go short is only below 35,600 levels. If it breaks 35,600, then 35,500. Probably below 35,600 one can remain bearish on, moderately bearish I will say, on US30, and below 35,400 we can be very bearish, where we can expect 34,800 to get achieved on US. Now this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, probably, now this is another interesting observation. The pivot right now lies at around 35,500 levels. It has seen consistent highs, it has seen lower lows, and probably it can achieve 35,500 to 35,400 zone. And uh, yes, breaking this zone between 35,500 to 400, it may break significantly on the downside towards the end of the month. We might see it in fact breaking below 34,000. Hence, take your positions accordingly. This time, any drop below 35,500, 35,600, definitely one can remain short and one can expect it to drop significantly on the downside. However, whether that will happen or not, let's see. Also, what does the indicators are indicating? If you look at the indicators on the daily charts, you will find that there is a resistance available now at around 36,200 zone, and probably only breaking 36,200 I will expect it to consider that it is a reversal where it can head higher. However, on the downside also, if you look at, this is the 50 moving average trying to give it a support, and on the bottom of the Bollinger Bands almost now 35,600 probably will provide a very strong support. If 35,600 is taken, then in fact 35,500 may provide, or sorry, 35,440 may provide a stronger support. Breaking this directly, it will lend towards 34,800 where it will act bearish. And for not only for this week but for next week also, we might see it breaking till towards uh, below 34,000 levels before the month end of the month. So a probable long only is recommended beyond 16,200. Else you can try to take a short, initiate a short at 16 to 36,200 and then expect it to drop later in this week and the subsequent week also. The MACD lines, the DPO was bullish, trying to enter into a bear zone. The MACD lines are trying to cross over on a sell zone. It failed to achieve the overbought levels, hence may continue with a drop for next couple of days or maybe for first trading day, where it might try to get a support at 35,600, 35,650 levels and may reverse from there till towards 36,200. So 35,600 to 36,200 is still, it may trade sideways before trying to take a decisive break on either side, whether upside or downside. But yes, on the MACD lines, the MACD are divergent and are on a sell side. Probably we might see higher candles, bigger red candles, and that is where if it breaks below 35,500, you can expect it to drop significantly. Specifically below 35,400, we can remain bearish and expect it to head towards 34,800, 34,900 zone. So this is on MACD, and if you look at the RSI, the RSI is pretty much comfortable here, and that is where, now considering this, let me jump to the levels directly. So this time if you see it, first let me give you the levels to buy. If you see it rising beyond 36,120, here itself you can initiate a long and expect it to hit 36,220 levels, then 36,250, and then 36,300. Almost 380 can be achieved. If it trades beyond that, it will definitely try to hit all-time highs 36,500 and 36,700. In fact, can go till towards 37,000. If it continues to rise in this fashion, it can hit 37,000 also. So beyond 36,200, 250 zone, definitely it will rise towards 36,500 and then towards 36,700 levels. But below this, now let me give you the levels to short for. And now if it breaks beneath, I will say 35,750, here you can initiate a short for 35,650, which may provide a stronger support below 35,650 and 35,600. Now if it takes away this zone, it will directly land till towards 35,450, and if 35,450 is taken, I will expect it to hit 35,300, 35,100, and then 34,900 is on cards. So almost plus minus 10-20 points, you have to skip it. And yes, the modest tone I have set, the 35,300, it doesn't mean that it is precise 35,300, but I am trying to give you a round figure where it might try to get a good support level for any downward move. But yes, below 35,300 zone, 35,450 zone, it I am extremely bearish on US30, and we can expect it to drop till towards 34,900, and in fact can go well below that. And next week it can drop further downside towards 34,000 levels. So yes, we have seen both the cases. We have seen the bull case. The only log I will recommend you to go at 36,100 levels, else it might try to drop. And yes, till 35,500 600 zone, still it can reverse and show a sideways movement from 35,500 to, or 35,600 to 36,100 levels. And probably in between these 500 600 points, we have to remain a little cautious. Any drop below 35,400 300 zone, definitely it will be extremely bearish move where we can expect lower levels. Now, if you want to gain the same expertise, and if you want to predict the markets in the similar fashion, you can join my training session. The next batch will be starting soon. You can reach out to me for on Telegram or via email for any of your trading or trading related queries. The links and details are mentioned in the description. Join my Telegram channel for better information and understanding on the day-to-day basis for the markets and commodities. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.